different tasks, like because I saw some of the carrots start to grow, start to germinate, and they all need some weeding, because if you don't make the weeding so early, it's a bit complicated after, and they make a big competition with the carrots, especially carrots and leeks. They need a nice weeding, and the last few weeks I was just running with transplanting, seeding, harvesting, and no time for weeding. But now if I don't do it, it will be pain in the future. So here we are, already arrived. I start to handily weeding the carrots. You can see the rows, but because the carrots are direct seed and it's start to germinate, so the weeds are growing faster. Like here I already passed, what remains is just carrot. Here it's full of weed yet, like all these beds need to hand weeding, because you can see the carrots are really super tiny and small. So yeah, little by little we need to take away all these small weeds in the early stage, otherwise it will disturb so much the carrot, because it will take the water and the energy and everything. And you see, like, we have a really nice germination. After early we will come and thin a bit of this, like two like this. We will leave just one and take one, but like after 2-3 weeks from now. Maybe we need to pass weekly to make weeding, and then when they grow a bit we make just some thinning, and that's it. We have 1, 2, 3, like just half, 4, 5, 6 beds of carrot. All will be ready around early mid-October, and then you can harvest it as much as you can go through the winter when we need it. So it will be fresh and we will put it in our boxes. So carrots are done. You cannot see it that much now. Here lightly you can see the rows, not that much, but yeah, where there is less germination, we will see in a week or something how is the situation. If it's still low germination, we will transplant also some cabbage or Brussels sprout. Yeah, and now we move to till again this area where we left the water since yesterday running to water the beds of yesterday that we transplant. And now this soil, it's a bit lucid, and I will keep tilling it a bit, especially there, this area, so we can achieve another 2 beds. And here maybe I will just make it shorter, not that long, to have access to the tent easily, where we host our woofers. And yeah, are. The terrace is totally clear now. Not totally. Just here we have this like old place for storing water, which is a bit not working at all. Old style. What I actually think to do is having these rocks, which is a part of the upper terrace for the neighbors, which is collapsed here a couple of years ago. I'm thinking to move all these rocks inside until I have time to fix it, because they all, like here they try to make it with cement, but it's actually doesn't hold, because old style, like part of this wall, you will see it, it's like maybe from the Middle Ages, just stones above each other without any kind of thing in the middle, just stones. They call it dry wall. So yeah, so the idea is clearing all this so I can till it and make other beds, so I can use what remain. And here I didn't finish yet. I till it and I let the rest for tomorrow or after tomorrow, because tomorrow is harvesting day, to shape it and make another 2 beds in this area. And yeah, here also, like here you see, this is old one, like this is original wall, just stones, no cement, nothing, and it's maybe stand here since 2, 3, 4, 500 years ago, since the Middle Ages. And here also this was another collapse happened a couple of months ago, and now I discover this water while I'm clearing, and I find that there is actually a leaking of our tube, which is anyway, I will change it to have another tube to go up there, because this still just 1 inch, and I got 1 inch and half, 1 inch and quarter to attach it to the from the river. But yeah, all these stones I need to move it from here, because otherwise I cannot use it. And luckily up there, you cannot see it so well, I built the fence last year because the wild bees was entering from up, and our neighbor even, he asked me just this year if I won't use it, his land, but so far no time. I think when I'm done with all the beds here and establish things, if I have time I can do it. And here's the fence and the river, and it's the road to the river where I need to go to collect another tube. So yeah, that's it for this day, for this video, and see you in the next one tomorrow in more updates and more things and tasks in the garden. See you.